In today's video, I'll show you how to install a Hypercar pack in GTA 5 Enhanced and add high performance supercars to your game. Check my video description for these download links. Once download done, right click on this Natural Vision Enhanced and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Open Main Package. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination. And once this done, go back, open this add-on spawner, drag and drop these add-on spawner and ASI inside of a game folder. Once done, go back, open script to V, open bin, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. And then go back, open this supercar mod, open car pack. In our game folder, open on Giri and DLC packs. Drag and drop these car mods inside of our DLC packs folder. Once done, go back in the GTA 5 folder and open this paste text into DLC list. Copy all this text and minimize. Open on Giri, common data, right click on the DLC list and select edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Next to item, press enter. Paste the text we copied. And once you did, press backspace key and make sure you did the same like this and select file and select save option. Now you can launch the game. To show you guys, I spawned all of these cars in front of you. There are 6 cars. I never seen these cars before. All are hypercars. I'll show you guys how to spawn these cars. Press the F5 to open up this add-on spawner. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. To select option, press enter. To go back, press the backspace key. Go to search vehicles. Here you can able to see 6 vehicles that we added. To spawn your car, press enter. In this way you can spawn these 6 cars. To close this menu, press the F5 to close this menu. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.